Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing assets and tools. Pick a clear icon image and export it at required sizes, like 512 x 512 and higher for clarity. Once done, open your editor and trim backgrounds, optimize transparency, and export as PNG or ICO depending on the platform. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can revert. This avoids lost work and lets you test different options quickly. Now you're ready to locate the project or installed game's icon file and proceed to replace. You'll now locate the existing icon inside the project or installation. Search the app bundle, game executable resources, or engine asset folder. Once located, replace the file with the new one keeping the same file name and format. This prevents reference breaks. If dealing with an executable, use a resource editor to inject icons safely. For engines like Unity, import into the asset pipeline and assign in the player settings. After replacing, clear caches and rebuild so the change propagates correctly. You finish by rebuilding and launching the game to confirm the icon displays as intended. Check desktop, launcher, and in-app listings. If the icon didn't update, make sure you cleared OS or engine caches and verify the image dimensions, file extension, and file name match the original. Also confirm file permissions didn't block replacement. If problems persist, consult platform-specific tools like Resource Hacker or Asset Catalogs to inspect references. One key tip: always keep the original backup for quick rollback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.